Hello and welcome back to my kitchen secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm doing a favorite of many. It's a mushroom risotto. It is really easy to make. It's only a technique, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a proper risotto. First, we're going to saute our mushrooms. I have porcini mushrooms. These are pre-frozen because they're very seasonal, and now is not the season for them. I just want to saute them. So I'm going to start with some butter, garlic clove, some white pepper, and of course some salt. And once it's browned, we're going to turn it the other way. And now it's done. Both sides are browned. One garlic. I have some chopped white onions. I don't need a lot, just like a couple spoonfuls. I just want the onion to soften. I have here an Italian rice. It's arborio. You can use carnaroli. The difference between regular rice and the Italian rice is the starch level. It needs to be starchy, so really, to be honest, no other rice can do the job the Italian rice does. And it goes in now with the onions. And we're just gonna saute for a little bit. This is very important, the sauteing. It only takes 2 minutes, so just be patient. I'm gonna get rid of the garlic because the flavor's there already. I don't need it. I'm adding the vegetable stock, and I'm just putting it a little bit at a time. I just wanna cover the rice by like 1 centimeter, and then when it evaporates, we start adding more. And you have to keep stirring it all the time because that encourages the starch to be released from the grain. And always read the box, because in general, the rice would take between 17 to 20 minutes, really no more. It just has to be soft with a little bite, al dente. I have here some saffron. Rice is almost done. As I said, it's got to be soft on the outside with a bite inside, al dente. Butter. You can notice it's starting to get creamier, and the smell is just amazing. I can't even say enough. Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna put in the plate. I'm gonna top it with some of the porcini mushrooms, a little bit of parsley, and of course, I'm gonna finish with more Parmesan cheese. And like any dish I make, I gotta taste it. I can't say enough. It's absolutely amazing. Give it a go and let me know.